to respect each other's privacy. That is actually a sign of love. Don't think because I love this person that I have to supervise everything that they do, and I have to go into their phone, and I have to read the messages, and I have to know exactly what he's doing, and I have to know exactly what she's doing. This is actually a sign that there is no trust. You have to give people their space. You have to respect their privacy. Oh, I love him so much, I'm going to be stuck with him 24 hours. This is not good. You need to give people their space. Give your children their space. Give your wife her space. Give your husband his space. Respect each other's privacy. Love does not mean that we have to be stuck up in each other's business 24/7.